Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This is Ayush, and now in this particular video we are going to learn about one of the most important command, that is the MTR command. Okay, so basically MTR command is nothing but like combination of the two commands which we have learned in our previous videos, that is the ping and the traceroute command. So now in this video we are going to learn about this, and we will use like see the both the features of the ping command and the traceroute command in this particular single command. Okay, so let's start with the basic, like what we have to write, that is mtr, and enter the then host name. I will just go with google.com and hit enter. Okay, so here you can see like this is refreshing again and again and again. Okay, so basically what's happening here, you can see the you will get the percentage loss and all the what are the number of packets sent, what are the last received, average best, and all these things. Okay, so basically what's happening here, you can see the number of hops, from our what you can say, from our source to the destination. Okay, so there are approx 10 hops here in this case. So like basically with this command you are getting the overall what you can say, overall statistics. And what happens in this particular command, as you can see, this page is refreshing again and again and again. So we started from 0 and now we are still at, here you can see we are at 48, again 49, 50. So what is this happening? This is basically nothing but the ping request. Okay, so here this command, like what it does, it sends ping request again and again and again. So with ping request, what we send the which protocol we use, ICMP, like Internet Control Message Protocol we use. Okay, so here you can see that again I will like run this command. To stop this, you have to just hit Q and it will stop. Okay, again let me check with the for another domain. Let's try for gmail.com. No, not Gmail. Let's try for facebook.com. So here you can see here also we are getting 10 hops. So there is no any packet loss here in this case. Okay, so this is the again at 11 times, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, all these things you can see. So to control the your what you can say ping request time, like suppose you want to ping again after some after some seconds, like suppose you want to ping after 2 seconds. So how you can do it? So for this we use a special function, not function, we will say just it is just an option, that is a hyphen I option. Okay, so let's use that mtr hyphen I, and we will specify the time for 2 seconds. And for domain name, let's go with the YouTube. Okay, so here you can see now it's not like earlier, like it's sending the ping request after 2 seconds. So you can see the change in the frequency of sending packets. Okay, so here you can see f4 now 7, now 8. So it's slower than earlier. Okay, so in this way you can control the ping request. And here you can see the IP addresses of all the hops which are which lies between our from the source and destination. Okay, so now moving forward, suppose if you want to display only the what you can say, only IP address, not host names. Like actually we are getting here IP address, but still there is an option of hyphen n, so we will use it. Let me clear the screen. mtr hyphen n, and let's take some basic one, our Indian website. Let me search, not Brave. Let me open Chrome. Okay, I will just search for, let's search for blockchain. So here, okay, here is the one website, Investopedia. Okay, or here is also blockchain.com is also one kind of website. Let me check, it is yeah, it's live. Okay, we can find the IP and all what are the hops present between this. So let me go like this first, blockchain.com. Okay, accessible 104. Okay, okay, Now what I will do, I will use the -n option, blockchain.com. So here you can see only IP address. As earlier also we were getting only IP address, but so what happens in some cases we get the host names. Okay, we get the host names in place of these IP addresses. Okay, so these are basically your IPv4 address, that is your 32-bit addresses. Okay, we will learn about more about in networking part. Okay, about IPv4 address and IPv6 address. Okay, so moving forward in this video, so we will go with one of the option with in which we store the output in different files, like different formats, you can say. Like we can store in XML, we can store in JSON, and also we can store in other file format, we can say. I'm not getting what are the file formats. Let me check with okay, so now here we will see what are the file formats. mm, -b, not this one. Local environment, packet. Okay, CSV is also there. Okay, here we can see if yeah, here you can see hyphen XML is there. We can use hyphen XML for storing the output in like this. Okay, so let me try with this hyphen XML google.com. Whether I will need to provide path or not, I don't know. Okay, control C to stop. 1 minute. I will create one directory, uh, cd blockchain and MTR hyphen XML google.com, and now it will be sending, like it's not displaying us here. I will just hit control C ls. Okay, no files has been created. uh, -o c.xml, whether it's work or not. Okay, it's not working. Let me check. Okay, let's try with CSV. Okay, it's not printing anything. I don't know what's the problem here. Basically what happens, it displays the output in that particular format. Like if a head is CSV, then comma separated values. Okay, yeah, okay, we got it now. So here you can see like this is the comma separated output in this case. And if I will try with the XML, actually file is not created, the output is displayed in that particular format. Okay, let's wait for 2 to 3 seconds. I hope it will work. Let's wait. Okay, so here you can see the output in the XML format. Nice. Okay, so moving forward, what I will do, I will use some other function, not function, I will use some other options in which we can create a one file in which we will add some domain names, and then we will call that file and use this particular command. What I'm just trying to say you, let me create one file. So just remember how you can create file in Linux. We will just use touch command. Okay, I will enter domain.txt and I will write first google.com, facebook.com, instagram.com. Okay, that's enough. Control D to save. Okay, let me check the content of this file. Not files.txt. What was the name? Domain. Yeah. Okay, here is the domain. Now I will use MTR. I will use hyphen F, capital F option, and provide the uh, domain.txt and then the Just it, I think. That's it. Okay. So here you can see we are getting result for google.com. Okay. So here you can see the ping request, everything we can see here. All statistics. Okay, now further we will see how we can set the ping. Okay. So like normally what happens, it sends approx 10 pings request. Okay. Like 1 to 10. Okay, if we want for only 5, how we can do? MTR hyphen C 5 google.com. This is third, fourth, and the last one is fifth. That's it. So only 5 packets has been sent. Okay. Okay. Yeah, again. So here you can see this is a percentage loss. Here we can see the maximum percentage loss. We don't know why. And the sent. Okay, wait a minute. I have to just to explain some things. That's why. So this is the last, the average time. This is the best time. The what time I am trying to tell you. Like this is the round trip time. Like when the packet goes from the source to destination, and then the packet the sender receives the response from the receiver, like that time, that is a round trip time. Okay, so this is the average, best, worst, and this is the standard deviation. Okay, latency is something, this is the last one. So guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any query, then please ask us in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next video.